Go na le boipelaetso bo bogolo kgatlhanong le sephetho sa Nersa sa gore Eskom e ka iša godimo tefelo ya motlakase. Sephetho se se tla ama gampe bašomiši ba motlakase bao ba šetšego ba goga ka gare. Borakgwebo le bona ba ngongorega.
The increase itself is probably unjustifiable from a commercial point of view, and we believe that anything beyond inflationary increase, which we think Eskom can reasonably get, is just simply punishing the consumers for lack of efficiency and uncontrollable losses at Eskom. So the membership is outraged. They are obviously considering their options and they are pushing back on the increase.
Mokgatlo wa bašomi wa Koketso o re o tshwenyegile ka gore koketšo ye e tlo imetša bašomi.
This is going to be a devastating blow to workers, to consumers, to the economy. Our workers don't receive 18% increases. They're lucky to receive the inflation increase at all, which is at about 7%, and that's if they get an increase. Our workers are highly indebted. They're supporting relatives who are unemployed, who won't find jobs easily.
Ditsebi tša merero ya motlakase ba re sephetho se ka hlohleletsa go utswiwa ga motlakase le go se lefele ditirelo.
More and more people will not be able to pay, and you cannot get blood out of a stone, much as you squeeze it. So there will be increasing levels of non-payment and theft of electricity, which is already a problem, and also a municipal arrear debt because the municipalities will not be able to collect money from their customers.
Go le bjalo, Eskom e re e amogela sephetho se ka ge se tla kaonafatša maemo a yona a ditšhelete. SABC News, Johannesburg.